Goldfinch. What is it? This is an easy way to get a loan without collateral. Goldfinch is a decentralized credit platform for crypto loans without collateral. This is the missing piece that finally unlocks crypto lending for most people in the world. Real-world impact. Goldfinch expands access to capital in emerging markets where crypto can truly empower financial inclusion. The protocol is already serving thousands of borrowers across India, Mexico, Nigeria, and Southeast Asia. Liquidity providers supply capital to the senior pool. The protocol automatically allocates the senior pool to the senior tranches of borrower pools. Borrowers propose pools, with terms like the interest rate, for the backers to assess. Backers supply capital to the junior tranches of borrower pools.